मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स वेलकम टू साइन एजुकेटर। आज आम पढ़ा षष्ठ श्रेणीर इंग्लिश बहिर लेसन टू द फॉलिश सन इन ल पाठ विषय। यही पाठर प्रत्येक प्रश्नर उत्तर यही वीडियो रे दिया होइछे। तुमे माने देखी खातारे लिखि नियो। लेसन 2 पाठ 2 द फॉलिश सन इन ल निर्बोध ज्वाई। SGP 1 कॉम्प्रेहेंशन क्वेश्चन बोधमूलक प्रश्नावली। नंबर 1 हु आर देयर इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी। गपर यही अंशरे क्यों माने अछंती। In this part of the story, there are the son-in-law and a man from his village. Number 2, what was the son-in-law plan? ज्वाइर योजना कौन थिला? After his marriage, the son-in-law was planning to visit his father-in-law house for the first time. Number 3, who advised him about some do's and do not at his in-law house. तार ससुर घरे केतेक करिबा कथा ओ न करिबा कथा विषय किए ताको उपदेश देले। A man from his village advised him about some do's and do not at his in-law house. Number 4, make a list of all the advice. समस्त उपदेशर एक तालिका कर। The first advice, what to use big and high sounding words in the father-in-law house. The second advice was always to sit on a high place. The third advice was first to say no to any food given. SGP 2. Number 1, what type of words did he use in speaking? से कथबार्ता रे की प्रकार शब्द व्यवहार कले। He used very long and high sounding words in speaking. Number 2, what did he tell his mother-in-law? से तांका सासुंको कौन कहिले। He told his mother-in-law, you are the sweetest, kindest, greatest and gentlest lady. Number 3, was she happy? से खुशी हेले की। Really, she was very much pleased to hear this. Number 4, what did she do? से कौन कले। She pressed her son-in-law in front of her neighbor for using high sounding words and calling her the kindest and greatest lady. Number 5, where did the son-in-law sit? Does the sight make other laugh? ज्वाई केउठारे बसिले एही दुसटी अन्य माननको हसाइला कि। The son-in-law sat over Paddysack pile high. Yes, the sight made other laugh. Number 6, what did he say when the rice pudding was served? जेतेबेले चाउल खीरी ताको खाइबाको बढागला से कौन कहिले। When the rice pudding was served to him, he said no. Number 7, did he want to eat the pudding? से खीरी खाइबाको चाहुथिले कि। Surely he wanted to eat the rice pudding. Number 8, where was the pudding pot kept? କେଉଁଠାରେ କ୍ଷୀରି ପାତ୍ରଟେ ରଖାଗଲା? The pudding pot was kept on Sika, a high place. Number 9. Could he eat it? ସେ ଏହାକୁ ଖାଇପାରିଲା କି? No, he could not eat it. SGP 3. Number 1. What happened when the son-in-law tried to get the pot of pudding? ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ ବାବୁ କ୍ଷୀରି ପାତ୍ରଟିକୁ ପାଇବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଥିବା ବେଳେ କ'ଣ ଘଟିଲା? When the son-in-law tried to get the pot of pudding, unfortunately, it fell on his head. His whole body was smeared with rice pudding like gum. Number 2. What did he look like when he turned on cotton? ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ତୁଲାରେ ଗଡ଼ିଗଲେ ସେ କିପରି ଦେଖାଗଲେ? When he turned on cotton, he looked like a lamb. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ତୁଲାରେ ଗଡ଼ିଗଲେ ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ ମେଣ୍ଢା ପରି ଦେଖାଗଲେ। Number 3. What are the two funny sights? Do they make you laugh? ଦୁଇଟି କୌତୁକିଆ ଦୃଶ୍ୟ କ'ଣ? ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକ ତୁମକୁ ହସାଇଛି କି? The two funny sights are that the son-in-law looked like a lamb and he stayed in the cow shed throughout the night with some lamb. They would surely make us laugh. Number 4. Where did the in-law find him in the morning? କେଉଁଠାରେ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଘର ଲୋକମାନେ ତାକୁ ସକାଳେ ଖୋଜି ପାଇଲେ? In the morning, the in-law found their son-in-law in the cow shed. Number 5. Who thought him to be foolish? କିଏ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବୋକା ବୋଲି ଭାବିଥିଲେ? Everyone except his mother-in-law thought him to be foolish. Number 6. Why was the father-in-law angry? Will the son-in-law stay here always? କାହିଁକି ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ରାଗିଗଲେ? ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ ବାବୁ ଏଠାରେ ସବୁବେଳେ ରହିବେ କି? The father-in-law was angry for two reasons. Firstly, the mother-in-law thought that the son-in-law was as simple and as innocent as a lamb. The other reason was that she took too much care of her foolish son-in-law and gave him good food but neglected her husband. Living in comfort, the son-in-law was not willing to return his home, so he would stay there always. SCP 4. Number 1. Why was not the son-in-law willing to go home? କାହିଁକି ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ ପୁଅ ଘରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛୁକ ନଥିଲେ? The son-in-law was not willing to go home because his mother-in-law gave his good food and took much care of him. Really, he was living in comfort there. Number 2. Who went to bring lemon from the garden? ବଗିଚାରୁ ଲେମ୍ବୁ ଆଣିବାକୁ କିଏ ଗଲା? The mother-in-law went to bring lemon from the garden. Number 3. Why did he beat his mother-in-law? କାହିଁକି ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଶାଶୁଙ୍କୁ ପିଟିଲେ? The son-in-law was watching the lemon plant at night. He was waiting to catch the thief that night. When the mother-in-law was plucking a lemon in the darkness of night, the son-in-law thrust her with the club thinking hard to be a thief. Number 4. What made his leave for his home? କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ଫେରିଗଲା? When he came to know that he had beaten his mother-in-law in the darkness of night, he felt so asked that he left for his home that night. Number 5. Is there anything funny in this part? ଏହି ଭାଗରେ କିଛି କୌତୁହଳ ଅଛି କି? The son-in-law thrashed his mother-in-law with the club thinking her to be a thief in that dark night. Really, it was a funny thing in this part. Number 6. Was his father-in-law happy? Which expression words in the text tell you so? ତାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଖୁସି ହେଲେ କି? ପାଠ୍ୟ ବିଷୟରେ କେଉଁ ଉକ୍ତିଟି ତୁମକୁ ସେପରି କହୁଛି? Yes, his father-in-law was happy in the end. In the text, the expression the father-in-law had a great sigh of relief tell us so. Number 2. Comprehension activity. बोधमूलक कार्यावली. Number 8. Choose the right answer from the option. विकल्प गुड़िक मध्यरु ठीक उत्तरटी बाछ. Number 1. The son-in-law was not advised to watch the garden. Number 2. The son-in-law thought it would be next to ask for pudding. Impolite. Number 3. Everyone except Dex thought him to be foolish. The mother-in-law. Number 4. The father-in-law planned to drive out the son-in-law because his wife took much care of her son-in-law, neglect him. Number B. Match the part number under A with their content in B. स्तंभ ए तले थिबा भाग संख्या सह स्तंभ बी रे थिबा विषय वस्तु को मिलाओ. Part 1. Son-in-law plans his visit. Part 2. Follow the advice. Part 3. Suffer for foolishness. Part 4. Leave the in-law house. Session 5. Listen to your teacher and fill in the gap. मन देई तुम शिक्षक को शुण एवं शून्यस्थान गुड़ी को पूरण कर. Kind son, you have seen our lemon tree. The lemon are stolen by thieves at night. I will be happy if you catch what the plan tonight and catch the thief. He also gave his son-in-law a club. In the darkness of night, the son-in-law was waiting for the thief to come. Session 6. Number A. Some words in English are made by joining in la after them. For example, father-in-law make 5 more words in this way. ଇଂରାଜୀରେ କେତେକ ଶବ୍ଦ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପରେ ଇନ୍ ଲ ଯୋଗ କରି ଗଠିତ ହୋଇଥାଏ. ଉଦାହରଣ ସ୍ୱରୂପ father-in-law ଏହିପରି ଆଉ ଅଧିକ 5ଟି ଶବ୍ଦ ତିଆରି କର. mother-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, uncle-in-law, auntie-in-law. Number B. Read the following part of your lesson. तुम पाठ विषयर निम्नलिखित अंशटी को पढ़. Rewrite the sentence using look like. ବାକ୍ୟଟିକୁ look like ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଲେଖ। Number I. At sunset or morning, the sun look like a big ball. At sunset or morning, the sun look like a big ball. Number 2. The girls look like a princess in her fancy dress. The girls look like a princess in her fancy dress. Number 3. Clouds in sky sometimes look like elephant. Cloud in sky sometimes look like elephants. Number IV. The clear blue sky look like an umbrella. The clear blue sky look like an umbrella. Number B. Her face look like a moon. His face look like a moon. Number 6. Uses prayoga. Number A. Son-in-law is a long word. The head word is son. When we change son-in-law into plural, it became son-in-law. Change the following words into plural. son-in-law ଏକ ଲମ୍ବା ଶବ୍ଦ। ଏହାର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଶବ୍ଦଟି ହେଉଛି son। ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ son-in-lawକୁ ବହୁ ବଚନ ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ କରୁଁ, ଏହା son-in-law ହୁଏ। ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ଶବ୍ଦଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ବହୁବଚନରେ ପରିଣତ କର। ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର one, ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ many. son-in-law, son-in-laws. daughter-in-law, daughters-in-law. father-in-law, fathers-in-law. mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. brother-in-law, brothers-in-law. sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Number B. Match the word in A with word in B. Words in B are opposite in meaning. Write the serial number of words in the boxes. One is done for you. High, low, pleased, displeased. Polite, impolite. Careful, careless. Fortunate, unfortunate. Fresh, rotten. Dry, wet. Foolish, clever. Innocent, guilty. Comfort, discomfort. Willing, unwilling. Kind, cruel. ମୁଁ ଏଠାରେ ଗାର ଟାଣିଛି, ତୁମେ ଏଠାରେ ନମ୍ବର ଲେଖି ଉତ୍ତର ଦିଅ। Session 8 Number A. Write answer to the following question. ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଉତ୍ତର ଲେଖ। Number I. What is the story about? ଗପଟି କାହା ଉପରେ ଆଧାରିତ? The story is about a foolish son-in-law. Number 2. Who advises what to do and what not to do? କିଏ ତାକୁ ଉପଦେଶ ଦେଲା କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ ହେବ ଏବଂ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ ହେବ ନାହିଁ? A man from his village gave him the advice what to do and what not to do. Number 3. Why did the want to have pudding? କାହିଁକି ସେ କ୍ଷୀରି ଖାଇବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲା? When he tasted 2 or 3 drops of rice pudding falling on his plate, he wanted to have more of pudding. Number IV. Where was the pudding kept? କ୍ଷୀରି କେଉଁଠାରେ ରଖାଯାଇଥିଲା? The mother-in-law keep the rice pudding on a pot and place it on Sikka, a high place. Number B. What happened when he tried to get the pudding? କ'ଣ ଘଟିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା କ୍ଷୀରି ଆଣିବାକୁ? When he tried to get the pudding from the pot, unfortunately it fell in his head. His whole body was smeared with rice pudding like gum. Number VI. Why was the father-in-law angry? କାହିଁକି ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ରାଗି ଯାଇଥିଲେ? The father-in-law was very angry because his wife foolishly thought that her son-in-law was a simple and as innocent as a lamb. Again his wife took too much care of her foolish son-in-law. She gave him good food but neglected her husband. Number VII. Who planned a trick to drive him out? ଘରୁ ଜ୍ୱାଇଁକୁ ତଡ଼ିବାକୁ କିଏ ଏକ କୌଶଳ ଯୋଜନା କଲା? The father-in-law planned a trick to drive the son-in-law out of their house. Number VIII. Why did he leave the in-law house? କାହିଁକି ସେ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଘର ପରିତ୍ୟାଗ କଲା? When the son-in-law came to know that he had beaten her mother-in-law in the darkness of night, he felt so asked that he left for his home that night soon. Stayed below what the father-in-law said his friends after his son-in-law had left. Read what he said and fill in the gaps consulting the story. Question with answer. ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ ପଳାଇଗଲା ପରେ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଜଣକ ତାଙ୍କ ବନ୍ଧୁଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲେ ତାହା ନିମ୍ନରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କର। ସେ କ'ଣ କହିଲେ ପଢ଼ ଏବଂ ଗଳ୍ପକୁ ଅନୁସରଣ କରି ଶୂନ୍ୟସ୍ଥାନ ପୂରଣ କର। Do you know how I drove away the son-in-law? He was foolish, but my wife thought him too innocent. She gave him good food every day, and she neglected me. So I thought of a trick. I asked my son-in-law to watch the lemon tree. I gave him a club to beat the thief. It was night. I asked my wife to bring a lemon. When she plucked a lemon, the son-in-law beat her. He felt ashamed coming to know that he had beaten his mother-in-law. Out of shame, he left my home. I breathed happily. ଏହିପରି ଅନେକ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ତୁମେମାନେ ସାଇନ୍ ଏଜୁକେଟର ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିକି ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ତୁମର ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍।